Okay, I'll make the declaration now. Are you ready? I, Sri Malthus S. Sangma, MCS, returning official for election to the Council of States by the elected members of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, hereby certify that I have, on the 11th day of June 2026, declared Sri James Pangsang Kongkal Sangma, sponsored by the National People's Party, to have been duly elected in a biennial election to be a member of the Council of States, and that, in token thereof, I have granted him this certificate of election.
Returning officer jong election MP sia Rajya Sabha Umatus Marak ulapan benayo James pigi Sangma kum MP jong Rajya Sabha na Meghalaya. Kani kalong hadin ba amdon na persya ya James Rajit daga soka MDE tu banlong kum ukutong ka Rajya Sabha na ka MP ka belam ya ka soka ka jela. James so Thep keteng ha ka nyotrik bunai banreu aja banreu kat ba na kaling persya klem don ba kon persya bad hal kan ya penbena kumu MP ka Rajya Sabha klem don nong ya persya ha ka jinisya labu ban tebut ha ka kat pratarik tau benai hanrei nama bum don ge kon persya hadin belakut ka sengi Thep keteng bat ka sengi weng keteng returning officer la penbena no ya James kumu nong job Kasoka MDE 2 kadon san puai ngut ki MLA kentup ke NPP, UDP, BGP, HSPDP, bat MLA Simet katba kaling persya kadon tang kendai ngut ba kentup ya ke TMC bat ke WPP ha ka yeng do bar ke bahan do pungut.
Not intentional.
The vision and mission, of course, the roles and responsibilities, everyone knows what the roles and responsibilities of an Honorable Member of Parliament is. Namely, it is to raise issues in the upper house of Parliament. And that is something that I am well aware of, and as I was just mentioning that these will be issues which we will be taking up. Others are, of course, in my role as a Member of Parliament, I can also play the role of somebody in New Delhi where governmental programs, schemes can also be pursued in respective government departments. So I will be offering my services to the government also to take up those kind of matters.
So reports state that some of your alliance partners or the MD are not happy about your selection as the MP. How do you look at it? What is your comment? And moreover, we look at today also, we don't see much of the alliance partners here.
No, I think that is completely wrong. And on the day of nomination, you all know and you all saw that I was accompanied not just by the NPP MLAs, we were accompanied by our alliance partners as well. Yes, there may have been certain names. I think that is part of a democratic process. It's very healthy. As we all know, it's the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. So, true to its name, that mantra has been followed. But eventually, the decision was made, and there is unanimity in the support that has been extended to me.